Hey guys, Captain America 100 here. I'm missing a few payments. I haven't gone through a list. I just want to run this to get over with. Alright guys, so everyone who needs to pay me, just send me a payment. We're live. We've got a local time of 6:16 here. Fucking refresh. 6:16 there. We're gonna go to random and show 6:16. We got 37 items on the list. George, close it for us. Thanks a lot, George. Here we go. 2 dice. Sorry, 3 dice. 3 dice. It shows the 3 dice here. Alright, so 11 again. Oh, wow. I just did a video with 11. Alright. Here we go. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Final round is coming up. Here we go. And your winner is spot 23, Steve Musselman. Spot 23, Steve Musselman takes the book home. There's your verification code, OREPGPQN. Congratulations. 6:17 here. Current time 6:17. 6:17 up here. Congratulations. And we're done.